Computer Science Videos here today to show you guys in this tutorial how to recover a deleted email on the desktop application Microsoft Outlook using a Mac computer. Without further ado, let us start the video. So in this tutorial, you need to have access to a Mac computer, have access to the desktop application Microsoft Outlook. We can now start the tutorial. Before I start this tutorial, I would like to say that you are more than welcome to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. As we know, every problem is solved by indirection. You can also follow my Twitter account. We are trying to grow as fast as ever. I'm on TikTok. We post videos here and there. Follow my page on Facebook. I'm also on Instagram. You are more than welcome to support me on PayPal. Let's now focus on the video. So now let's go down to the dock, go to Launchpad, go to the application, Microsoft Outlook, search for this, enter to open up the application, wait for that to load. Once that is loaded, in the previous tutorial, I did demonstrate to you how to delete an email. So let's just re-demonstrate that for the purpose of this tutorial. Right click, delete, or click on the icon on the top right corner of this email, or go to the navigation menu and click delete. So that email itself has been deleted. Navigate to the deleted items, and there we have the emails that have been deleted. Let's just say that you may have deleted an email by mistake and you want to retrieve that email. Where would you go? Where would you navigate to? Which folder do you need to look into? Deleted items. We have these deleted emails. We can highlight all of them and actually move back into the admin inbox. Let's now go back into the inbox. And here we have the 4 deleted emails that we have recovered from the last 2 tutorials, including this one. So we can now quit Outlook. And so that's it for this video. I'll see you guys in my next tutorial. Thanks for now. Thank you for making it towards the end of the video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, Computer Science Videos. Be sure to check out the previous video on screen now, or you can ideally click on the playlist and watch all the journey for Computer Science Videos from the start until now.